Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Bitcoin? This is BTC USD on Coinbase. Of course, you can also look at IBIT as a way to trade Bitcoin. We'll stick with IBIT here because we are Stock Market Mentor, though I will tell you that we have a crypto service called Crypto Market Mentor. And just in the past month, even though Bitcoin has been down, we've been finding winning trading opportunities to the upside on other crypto assets. And so if you're interested in learning about digital assets, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and the others, definitely check out Crypto Market Mentor. It's a part of Stock Market Mentor. Now, I'll be honest with you, Bitcoin looks awful. It looks terrible here. On IBIT, you can see that we are under the 200-day moving average. And on BTC USD, we're also under the 200-day moving average. And if I zoom out here, you can actually see we've visited the 200-day moving average and broken under the 200-day moving average multiple times just in the past couple of years. We did it here in July of 2024. This is like a chewing glass season where we just went sideways pretty much all summer long up until the election. Then we broke out, made a new high, got above 100K, and floundered back down under the 200-day moving average. And I know at this point here in August, September of 2024, everyone thought it was over. It's over for Bitcoin. Michael Saylor is going to get liquidated. It's only a matter of time. And then here, during the spring, when we had the tariff tantrum, same kind of thing. We had a move under the 200-day moving average. We got rejected. Everyone's saying Michael Saylor's going to get liquidated. And then what happened? We ended up breaking back above the 200-day moving average and making a new high. And so here we are again. We're under the 200-day moving average. We're flushing heavy on pretty high volume. But that said, I actually see some near-term support on BTC in and around 93. Now, it wouldn't be out of the realm of possibility, in my opinion, for us to break under the 200-day moving average like we did, rebound off the 21-day, flush down to 93,000, and bounce in and around that area because that's where we held support in the springtime, in May. Now, even if Bitcoin just kind of flounders around this area for a bit, I want to point out the Fear and Greed Index from CoinMarketCap. And you can see that we're currently in the fear, but we have been lower. And so if we do get into this extreme fear level, like we did in the springtime, I actually think Bitcoin could be a great long-term buy opportunity. Because anytime we've come down into this extreme fear zone, Bitcoin has been a great buy. And so I think the fact that we are in fear already in terms of sentiment, we're under the 200-day moving average where we've been before. I want to be open-minded to a potential bounce on IBIT. And so I'm watching IBIT for a bounce opportunity because every time Bitcoin looks awful, it's actually been a great buy. Now, I don't want to front run this. I don't want to get in the way of a moving locomotive, but I want to be open-minded to a bounce strictly because sentiment is already so low. Everyone's already scared out. And once again, we're getting calls of Michael Saylor from MicroStrategy getting liquidated any day now. So I want to take the other side of that trade when it's time to take the other side of that trade and be open to bounce opportunities on Bitcoin for that rebound back above the 200-day moving average. So that's one thing we're watching over at Crypto Market Mentor and Stock Market Mentor. And if you'd want to join us, I'd love to meet you. Click that link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.